Hello hopefuls, thanks so much for coming back to my channel today. I want to share an Aldi grocery haul, and I spent a total of $81.73. I'm keeping track of what I am spending monthly at the grocery store, weekly, every day, or whenever I go. So I have written down in my planner like what I spent. So the other day I spent $35 at Walmart. Of course, yeah, like I said, I spent $81. I didn't want to spend that much. Aldi to me, or the grocery store to me, is like almost like the Dollar Tree, and I have to really watch it. So our total budget that we came up with is we said $500. I got this grid that I got off of somewhere online, that it was like $100 per person in your household. But I was listening to, I think I said this in another haul, what is his name? Dave Ramsey, and he said whatever you think your grocery budget is, you need to add more to it, and that's probably not even counting if you're going out to eat. So I gave ourselves $600 for a month. That is easily done when Cottrell is home. We tend to not eat as much when he isn't here, even though just JJ is eating, y'all. He is eating, and if Sai had a big appetite, we'll be in trouble. But I think it's lower when he's not here, and so I already have some stuff already here that we can make from my pantry, or from what I already have in the freezer from Trader Joe's and some other things. But I wanted to pick up a couple of things today, and I probably will not go back until next week. We should be good. Okay, so Josiah does have some moo tubes. I did pick these up the other day, and they're $1.55, and he only had like 3 left, so I went ahead and picked some up. I wanted a sausage biscuit with cheese or with egg or something. So I said, you know what? I'm just going to buy the stuff and make it at home. So I got some orange juice because Jason's like, that sounds good. And then I got some Rice Krispie. I haven't tried these before, but I'm going to make some Rice Krispie treats. So I got 2 of these. They were $1.39, and the orange juice is $1.99. And then I needed some 80/20. I'm not sure what I will make with that. I'm also going to put this on my blog, y'all. So I think it was Kelly, I hope I remember that right, she said that she really liked for it to be on the blog, and so I've been really behind in Slack. So starting forward with this one, I'm going to make sure I put every one. By the time you guys see this, it'll be already up there. So that helps her pay, that helps her, I can't get my words together, y'all, today. I'm tired. Probably because I haven't eaten. It's like 2:30. I went to the gym. So she said that helps her with her grocery bill for the month. But I do want to let you guys know they do vary per store and per area. The shrimp, guys, was $5.99, and I got the jumbo. And then the jumbo franks are 99 cents. And then these classic dogs are 79 cents. I got the chicken breast portion, frozen chicken breast, and the $5.85. So they raised the price on this. And then so I can make Jason and I a sausage biscuit. The boys actually do not care for this anymore. Josiah was having a love affair with it, and he didn't have it a super long time, but he was wanting like 2 and 3 sausages. I was like, no, I was saying you can't have no more than 2. That's still too much for you. So these were $5.79. JJ didn't really never like them. Trail may like them, and I got the maple. Oh no, I didn't get the maple. I was busy looking at the brown, but I got the original, but it's okay. I got the lumberjack Roger Wood sausage, and Walmart carries the hot of this. And what I've been doing is, usually the younger 2 are in school, but Trail was still home with us on break, and I would make sausage with grits. So it was just, it's so good. You cut it in half, fry it in the pan, or just saute it in the pan. Don't add no extra oil or nothing, and it's so good. I have been seeing this in Fruganista's haul, the garlic chicken, and so I wanted to try it, and I knew 1 bag was not enough for us. Probably if Trail's home, that's still not enough. 2 bags. So this was $3.49, y'all. $3.49. The lumberjack sausage is $2.95. The crinkle cut crinkle cut fries are $1.65, and we're gonna have hot dogs and fries today. I was gonna have breakfast, but I said I'll wait till Jason's off, and so I still have some hash browns from Trader Joe's. I don't really like two starches together, but they'll like it. Hash browns, probably with some bacon. I have a couple of cook with me videos to put up. Well, maybe one, but a couple of them to insert in that video. But I haven't been really cooking a whole lot. It's like what they find. Like I'm getting ready to have a grilled cheese and soup, Progresso. That's what I got from Walmart the other day. Some classic coleslaw. This was $1.49, so I was like, they done went up on this, probably because of the seasons. They didn't have any broccoli. I wanted to get a couple of frozen bags of broccoli. That's my favorite, and that is usually 99 cents, but these were $1.65. They must be waiting on a truck. These are 85 cents, the hot dogs. So we're going to have hot dogs and fries with coleslaw and onions and chili. I also noticed that, I don't know, sometimes when Aldi doesn't have anything, they will move it and remove the tag and everything like it doesn't exist. So I don't know if they just stopped selling it, but I thought people was buying it. The chili sauce is in a smaller can than this, but this is fine too. The Brookdale original chili no beans, and this is $1.09. I had to get some of just JJ's loves this pepperoni. He had a piece every day, y'all. So this is $2.29. I got 2 of these. Josiah just cares for the cheese, so I was getting ready to get just a cheese piece, and I said, you know what I'll do is I'll just take the pepperonis off of one side of it and put it on the other side. Solve that problem, because he'll even be finicky about if he can kind of taste it or see where the print was. Y'all, my kids. And he also likes Jiffy cornbread. So the other day I made chili beans, and JJ normally doesn't have tortillas with his chili beans, and I do have that recipe. I'll make sure I'll link it above if you want to know what that is. And so anyway, I picked some cornbread up, and he loved this. So he was asking for it yesterday, and Jason ate it all up. And this was like, I didn't know you wanted it anymore. So I said, I'll just keep this on hand to make that for him. Some English muffins to make us a sausage, egg, and cheese McMuffin or bacon or whatever. And I saw somewhere, I don't remember where, on Instagram or Facebook, where an easy detox that you can do every day was limes and chia seeds, and I have some chia seeds that I got from Aldi. The limes were $1.65, the English muffins were $1.15, and the cornbread Jiffy mix is 43 cents. So I got 4 bags, and I was like, oh, I don't know why I'm like that, y'all. Sometimes it's just like, that sounds like a lot. But 4 bags of the mini marshmallows. And this is for the Rice Krispie treats, because on the back it has like a little recipe, and it said 2 boxes, and I believe I have enough butter, so I don't need any butter, but I will make sure. I did not get like any sprinkles or anything like that. Just being cheap. $2.99 was the sprinkles right now, the Christmas sprinkles, and then they were really chunky and big, and I kind of wanted just the colorful ones that you can just pour on there. So I was like, oh, maybe I'll just wait. I thought I saw some at Dollar Tree, but I'll just wait. I'll go to Walmart. Some cookie thins. These are really good. They're $2.29, and they're low in weight WW points. And then some purified water. I love. My boys go through this water so quick. I need to get 2, but I hate picking it up. That was my drawer. And I'm trying to show you guys. I have to hide my little Weilers from them because they will drink it all up. Oh, JJ's home already. Then also, this is my favorite paper towels from Aldi. I used to get the sparkle, compared to sparkle ones, but I like the Ultra, the Bounty. I love it. I love it, love it. And I think it's like $6 and something. And then the Scott's, well, I thought that was JJ. Maybe it wasn't. And then the Scott's toilet paper. The Willow compared to Scott's. So that, the paper towels are $6.49, and then the toilet paper is $6.29. So that's all that I picked up, guys, from Aldi today. Hello, hopefuls. So today I went back to Aldi. It's the very next day, It is December the 10th, I believe. Yeah, the 10th. I spent $22.62, and I really went back to get some milk because it's Jason's off day. So he's been trying to eat graham crackers. He says it has less sugar content than the cookies. So that's what he wanted some milk for, and probably whatever cereal that is in there. So of course, usually I end up picking up something else, and this is what I picked up today. And yeah, I was gonna get some fresh broccoli. I should have looked today. Yeah, I should have looked today. I didn't think about it, to see if they had any frozen broccoli. So yesterday they didn't have it. Anyway, I got some red potatoes, and I just wanted these. I like to cut these up and like put them on a pan with some EVOO, whatever seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, probably anything from Trader Joe's now. The 21 Salute, the Bada Complete seasoning. Cut it up, put it on there, toss it around, bake it. Also, this will be really, have I done it for breakfast? I want to do it for breakfast, but it seem like I won't do it for breakfast and they'll go bad, or either I end up using them for dinner. So like put some cheese on it, put some onions on it, something like that. Ooh, I got some black green peppers, and I need to chop them up so they won't go bad. I think I do. Okay, y'all, I got some pepperoni. This is another thing that I forgot off of my list. So I made a list with Alexa, and I have to do a little review on that, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. I'm not doing it because, you know, it probably will be an affiliate link, meaning that I will get some kind of type of kickback, but it's not much. But I just wanted to share it with you guys because I absolutely love the little Alexa. So by the time you guys see this, maybe it'll be up, but she reminds me of my groceries, or if I'm just thinking of something I needed. So this was that. This milk and baby deals was on my list. So Alexa, what's on Hope's grocery list?
Your Hope's grocery list is empty.
I said it wrong. Alexa, what is on grocery list?
You have 3 items on your grocery list: sweetener, pickles, and milk.
Okay, so now I have to go and cross it off. And if you have the app on your phone, you can cross it off that way. That's what I did. I kept saying Hope's grocery list, and she kept thinking I was saying Whole Foods after a while. So we just canceled that one out. Uh-oh. Hold on. Sorry, I was making this Progresso chicken and wild rice. I had this for dinner, a late dinner, just by myself with a grilled cheese, and it's so good. So that's what I'm eating today. Today I went to the gym. Sorry, y'all, it's chatty. I went to the gym. I had to go to the orthopedic because my foot has been bothering me. My hand too, but you have to make a whole nother appointment. Them billing, coding people ain't trying to, the doctors ain't trying to do too much in one day. So I'm going to probably wait because my hands can get, it's this hand here. So sometimes it's this one. Well, no, it's really both of them. And they'll get real numb, and I wear a brace at night. I just ordered from Amazon. I love Amazon, y'all. I just ordered a brace from Amazon. Today he told me to get a brace. I ordered some stuff before, but he wrote down the exact one and then prescribed me physical therapy and some stretches. So I don't want a cortisone shot anyway. He said he didn't want to give me one. And only because, you know, you hear about weight gain, already trying to get this off, and he said that I guess it might start feeling good, and then I can hurt myself even more. Something like that. But anyway, I'm sorry, y'all. Okay, so I got 2 of the baby deals. I love these. There are 2 Weight Watcher points. And what else did I do? I went and got my blood drawn at LabCorp too. Because my iron. Y'all, I just feel like, no, I ain't gonna say that. Okay. So some sweet Hawaiian crescent rolls. I've been seeing these. These are seasonal. And these are $1.49. And I only picked up 1. Some cashew, sweet and salty. Some more of these peanut butter sandwich crackers for Saya. He wasn't out, but he was running low. And I don't plan on going back to Aldi right now. Marshmallows and stars. JJ just puts this in a little baggie to take with him out to the bus. He also likes these chocolate chip chewy dip bars, so I picked those up too. I hope Cottrell doesn't kill him because he's about to come home for Christmas break. And then I got some cabbage. I did get a gallon of milk, and that's it, y'all. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.